So basically, the Silicon Valley, and I don't mean just the Valley, I mean, generally venture capital in the venture
Yeah.
space, they will bet on a whole bunch of companies, and one of them is supposed to survive. And the one is the big one, right? So they'll bet on a bunch and they'll let a whole bunch of smaller ones die so they can put their money into the big one. So from a founder perspective, if this happens to you, you're screwed, right? You put your whole life into it and it's done. From their perspective, it's just a matter of numbers.
Yeah.
So it's not very, I think it doesn't follow a line of integrity. The other thing is that, some of these businesses that they let fall off the wayside are 25, $50 million businesses that could have easily exited and made some money, but they're after the $1 billion one. And that to me is just laziness, right? Like, you don't want to help them all. You want to help the one big ones, and then you just only go after the big ones instead of trying to help all the ones that are out there that could exit for 50 or 100 million. And as a result, what happens is, and if you look at the way that the economics work, right, they get what's called a 2 and 20, which means they get 2% of whatever they're managing and 20% of the money they make over the hurdle.